Welcome. Now that you've downloaded the Sustainability ROI Workbook from the Sustainability Advantage website, this is a quick refresher on how to manipulate a worksheet and to find your way around the workbook. When you open up the workbook, you'll be at the top of the intro worksheet. You'll notice that at the top you may have a toolbar that's open. If you want to free up space on your screen so that there's more room to see the actual worksheet or the workbook, you can double click on any tab that's open and it will close the tab. If you ever want it back, double click on it again and it'll open up. So it's a way to free up a little bit more space. Now let's see how to scroll on the worksheet. It's pretty simple. You just grab the toolbar, the scroll bar on the right-hand side. You scroll down to the bottom. That's how to scroll vertically. You can use the horizontal scroll bar in the bottom right-hand corner to move back and forth to the right and the left. So if there are screens that have material to the right, you can scroll over there and then come back. You can adjust the size of that scroll bar, the horizontal scroll bar, so that it's larger. But it's nice if you can make it small enough that the tabs of the workbook are all visible on the left-hand side. And right now they all are. Those are the main working tabs or worksheets that are in the workbook. You can also zoom in and zoom out of the worksheet by clicking on the zoom bar down below. You can do it moving the bar horizontally or to the left to make it smaller. Or you can click the plus sign to be a little bit more in control of the size of it, or the minus sign to make it get smaller. So let's move it up to 100%. And all of the worksheets actually are adjusted so that they fit on the screen at 100% magnification. So that's how you get around on a worksheet in the workbook. Let's take a look at how to get to the other worksheets that are in the workbook beyond just the intro one. And as you can see, there are tabs, and all you have to do is click on those tabs and it opens up the workbooks that are at them. If you want to go all the way to the right, and there are some more tabs to the right, there's an ellipsis. You can click on that and it moves the tab bar over to the left so you can start to see all of the other ones. So you can see there are 4 appendices. If you want to move back so you can see the tabs on the earlier worksheets again, click on the ellipsis at the other end and you can move back as well. A second way to move back and forth across those tabs is to use those little arrows in the extreme bottom left-hand corner. Little black arrow goes to the right or goes to the left. If you hold it down, it just moves very, very quickly. So that's how you get around from one worksheet to another, and that's how you get around in one particular worksheet. So enjoy browsing the workbook and getting familiar with what's in it. If you want more hints and tips on how to navigate Excel worksheets and workbooks, maybe you could do a Google search on what you'd like to do and just check out the many good online Excel tutorials and help videos. Now that we're comfortable on how to navigate the worksheets and the workbook, now let's take a look at what's actually in it, and we'll start off with taking a look at the worksheet we were just playing with, the introduction worksheet, and we'll do that in the next video.